In this tutorial, we will be learning about variables in JavaScript, how they are declared and the differences between var, let, and const. So, let's dive right in. Variables are like containers for storing data. Think of them as boxes where you can keep stuff for later use. In JavaScript, we declare variables using var, let, or const followed by the name of the variable.
As you can see, we just declared three variables, x, y, and z.
We used var for x, let for y, and const for z. Notice that we assigned a value of 10 to z during declaration. This is because const variables must be initialized at the time of declaration. Now, let's assign some values to x and y and print them out. As you can see, the console.log statement prints out the values of x and y, which are 5 and hello, world, respectively. Now, let's talk about the differences between var, let, and const. Var is function scoped, which means if you declare a variable using var inside a function, it can only be accessed within that function. As you can see, when we try to access test var outside the function, we get a reference error. Let and const, on the other hand, are block scoped. This means they can only be accessed within the block they are defined. As you can see, when we try to access test let and test const outside the block, we get a reference error. Another important difference is that var variables can be redeclared and updated, let variables can't be redeclared but can be updated, and const variables can neither be redeclared nor updated. As you can see, trying to update const variable z results in a type error. And that's the basics of variables in JavaScript. Remember, variables are like containers for storing data values. We declare them using var, let, or const, and the one we choose depends on how we want to use the variable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Keep practicing and happy coding.